from there.
Okay.
Yep, center the paper, pull the trigger on the exhale, but squeeze the trigger, don't jerk it.
Okay. That jump
sounded good. All right, day 2 at the property. I passed on a couple of them so far. I'm looking for some meat, not a trophy, for those who might be wondering. But this shouldn't take long, hopefully. Let's see what I can get today. Looking for a nice size doe. Stay tuned. What? Dang, that sucks. I missed that damn thing. I could son of a gun. All right, out here in Alabama for second day of opening day for a rifle. Just got a nice 8-point buck. Disclaimer: this is not Kansas, Texas, or Ohio, so don't expect the Boone and Crockett type buck. But either way, got some good harvest today, and gonna go check it out to see what it looks like up close. Stay tuned. Meh. Well, I don't know what happened out here, so walking up slowly with the gun in hand. Alright, so I know I hit it. I see a nice blood trail here. Where the heck he is, I don't know. Found a skull back here. Wow. Just found a skull back here. Wow. Just found a skull back here. Wow. Clearing the land. Don't think it's a deer skull, so I'm guessing it's a predator. Yep, definitely a predator. Some kind of dog or something. Skull found on hunting land. Private land. What kind of, this is a dog or a coyote, a big coyote or something. I think it's huge.
Oh, that's some kind of dog type thing.
Yeah, it's a Alright, headed back out again for round 2 over at the family pond. Like I said before, I'm looking for a harvest to process some deer meat. So let's see what happens, guys. Out here looking for a deer, ain't see crap. Saw one little baby deer. But this ain't usual, everybody, just so y'all know. This time of year should be more action, but it's been warm lately, so it is what it is. We got 3 more hunts left. I think Doug got two. He leaving Friday, right?
Yeah, I'm on Friday.
All right, so we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. Blood on the tree and everything. I don't see no more blood though. Yeah, I saw the blood. Look at this. Look at this big old goddamn hog right here. Boy, that sucker is huge. It's a sow too. God dang, which is a freaking boar. I mean, male. Damn, that sucker is massive. Jeez. Oh, you see it? Oh, it's splatter. Yeah, you're a big boy. It don't take long to get on these damn hogs. These things stink so bad. This is a big hog, man. It's definitely bigger than the one I got last time. Jeez. Look at that sucker right there, boy. Oh, that's a damn trip on. Look at this size of this hog right here, boy. It's a huge. Look at those tusks. Nice. Well, didn't see no deer, but I got me a big hog. Still not happy because I ain't got no meat for my table because I don't eat pig. But this is cool though. Got my cousin out here. He saw some deer, but they ain't give him a chance. They ain't give him a chance to take a shot. Yeah. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh, this thing just jump up at us.
Yo, bruh.
That'd be crazy. That'd be so crazy. That'd be crazy as hell. That bitch just jumped up. God damn, this thing is so fucking big. God. Oh shit, this thing is huge, man. I can't pick this fucker up. I can't pick this fucker up. Damn. Stiff. Stiff. Yeah. I can't pick it up, guys, but it's a fucking hawk. This sucker is huge, man. God dang. Oh well. Damn. I'm gonna get it down. This weak ass stick ain't gonna work.
Profit.
Yeah. Shit. Damn. Yeah. Get right in the neck. Oh well. Look it.
She won't even freaking turn. That's the bad part.
Yeah. Whole backside is crap. It's looking close to 300 pounds, man.
Yeah.
Maybe high twos, mid twos.
She won your dad shot like 260. I know she's bigger than that.
That thing got some big ass hustle on
On,
that
on 29.
Oh wow. This thing got flies in his mouth already?
Hmm?
Got flies inside his mouth, a whole bunch of them. That's weird.
What?
Bunch of flies in his mouth.
Oh, yeah, they really eat it already.
God damn. It's sliding like crazy.
Sink it all in.
Oh well. Good to go. That is what it is. You want to put Alright, we out here with my cousin Tisa on her first ever hunt. She prior service, so she know how to shoot already. But we'll see how she could shoot. And the deer walks in front of her and the nerves. What they call it, buck fever start happening. You good?
Kayla think I'm not gonna shoot.
You gonna
I'm
shoot,
good.
man.
I'm ready.
She will. Let's hope something comes out, guys. Stay tuned. Wow, that's a big ass deer. Get the fuck out of here. He coming to the corner. That's a big deer too. That's a nice buck right there. What the fuck? It's a good Euro mount if it were to come out. But it won't shake. It's not cold. It's the excitement that got me shaking right now. But sorry. I just got a big 8-point buck 150 yards away because of her. It's one more buck left. If it comes a little bit closer, I'm gonna let her take the shot. Let's see what happens.
thing.
Next shot.
Now see, you can see somebody like he was shooting on a next shot. Ain't that something?
No, he told me he was shooting right there. He just got there.
He was shooting.
He
He was
was.
shooting right here.
He didn't want to shoot.
That's what he was shooting
I
at.
told him to shoot.
He was scared,
I
right?
said, you better shoot this
He
dude.
didn't want to miss no.
No, I don't want to miss no more deer today.
No, he didn't want to miss. God dang it, that's a fat belly. This deer standing here where I just shot this other deer, waiting. They were getting ready to fight, but I didn't have time to play with pictures. I took the one out. After he fell, this buck came and started fighting, pushed him about 15 feet away from where he fell. This is nuts. The other one's on the ground right there. This deer still won't run. This is nuts. Still there. That's the one that I shot. He pushed him from here to over there. Fighting like that. This is so crazy.
Alright, headed back out for my third round of hunting this year. Or fourth round actually. Hopefully something comes out. Stay tuned. Got a first scrape on the ground and the tree. Got a little action also. But where are they hiding at during the day? Just found the wild hog school. I think it's a sow, most likely, because the tusks aren't that big. But yeah, pretty cool. I wonder how big this buck was that made this rub.
Say, he's fat too, that body boy. That son of a gun.
Mac. Mac. Alright, I just tagged the doe. Gotta do a little bit of tracking. But yeah. The blood was gushing, so I know I got a good hit. So let's go see. Right there. More blood. There it is. Doe down. Boy, that's all. But I'm a happy hunter.
Can't sit there for 10 minutes. Look at that something on there right there.
There it is. Deer meat for dinner. Process and consume.